If you just switched to Zen Browser, you probably want to bring your bookmarks over from your old browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import bookmarks into Zen Browser step by step. First things first, you can see IMDb, Wikipedia, and YouTube in my bookmarks. As an example, I'll import these from Google Chrome, but you can import any browser with this guide. So open Zen Browser. Now click the menu button in the top left corner of the window. From the menu, look for Settings and open it. Inside the Bookmarks section, look for an option called Import Browser Data. Even in recent versions, this was in General, but the current update moved this to Sync. In case if something changes again in the future, you can also find it with typing Import within the search bar. The exact wording may vary depending on your Zen Browser version. Click the Import option. Zen Browser should now show a list of browsers you can import data from, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Opera GX. Select the browser you want to import bookmarks from, or if you exported an HTML file, choose that option. You may also see options to import passwords, browsing history, and extensions. Choose the data you want to transfer, then click Continue or Import. Now wait a few moments while Zen Browser imports your bookmarks. Once the process finishes, open the Bookmarks bar or Bookmarks menu to confirm everything transferred correctly. Depending on your current appearance settings, you can't see bookmarks all the time. So go to Settings, click Look and Feel. Currently, I have the only sidebar selected, which is why I have to move my mouse to the top to see the bookmarks. But if I select the any other two options, Sidebar and Top Toolbar or Collapsed Sidebar, bookmarks are always visible. And that's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks into Zen Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more browser tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching.